That's in the climate chart, isn't it? In the climate chart, that the climate zone is divided in the three. What are they? That the torrid zone, temperate zone, and frigid zone. Torrid zone means tropical zone, temperate zone, and that's a frigid zone means the polar zone also it's called. And it varies years. What's one? That from 0 degree to 30 degree. 0 to 30 NS. NS means north and south hemispheres. This is a tropical zone that 0 to 30 degree of the latitudes both. And I saw yours. That is a this is the equator. It is a 0 degree from 0 to 30. Tropical zone I am talking about zone. Yeah. This is the area where that it crossed, that is about in the upper northern hemisphere. This is the north and this is the south, across the tropical Cancer and across the tropical Capricorn. That the climate, what's the zone? It is a tropical zone. This is a tropical zone. Now the first one, there is a number one, that the equatorial. Now the region I am talking about, equatorial regions. Equatorial what's the climate or the region? Region by lecture. Region or is called a climate. Because here we are discussing about the climate, so it's a climates. In the equatorial region or the climates, if the distribution of this equatorial climates is up to where? Yes, it is the position. What here? Position of number first position and distribution. Position and distribution. Position and distribution of the climate, what's the equatorial climate has, it's 0 degree to that 5 degree of north and south hemispheres. Climate, equatorial climate that lies both these hemispheres, that is the hairs up to hairs. This is whatever. This is equatorial climate. Understood? Equatorial climates is theirs, which is from 0 degree to that the 5 degree, both these hemispheres. Then the -5 and here is 5. 5 -1 to 1. Yeah, both these hemispheres, that the 0 degree, 0 to 5 degree, that is a which climate? Equatorial climates. This is the position, and it lies where that is found, right? In the South America, there is Amazon River. South America, there is Amazon River, and that Amazon River divides this huge shield. Shield means that's of a land. One that is the Amazon basin and the Congo basin. Right? It is that type of means you can say, sir, where that equatorial climate is found, there is where that the chiefly this climate is found where? Questions there is. In the South Americas, in the eastern parts, it's to the west. In the South America, Amazon rivers, from the west to east. From west to east, that the river flows there. Mostly the river from west to east or the north to south. Only few river from the south to north. Right? That river that flows from that the east to the south, east to the sorry, west to the east, there the Amazon river is that, right? We have like that the Amazon rivers, and there is a this is the Congo. This is in the north, and that is the south. We learn in the further lessons. There is a what's one South American continent. There we learn. This is the Congo basin. Congo basin, and that is called the Amazon basin. Amazon basin. Understood? This is position. Position means where that the temperature that lies 0 to 5 degree, right? And it's found in that East Indies place. I'm talking about the place. Place where East Indies. Malaysia, South Malaysia. Malaysia, yeah, it found the and Congo and Amazon basin. It found there is a this places that found there is a where the questions will come asked you write about that the equatorial climate. It means you must write that the position and distribution, climate, natural vegetation and animals. That three you write, and fifth if you write that what is the lifestyle of the people are living about there. Understood? So here this found that what's found there the East Indies and South America, Malaysia and what the Congo and Amazon basin that is found, but cheaply, right here the but cheaply, cheaply found in Amazon basin. Cheaply found in the Amazon basin. So it's called what's also Amazon climate. So it called it is called Amazon climate. Is that clear? Any question here? Position distribution. कहाँ पाउँछ? कुन ठाउँ हो? कहाँ पाउँछ? यो चाहिँ यसको डिस्ट्रिब्युसन भयो. So this is your position and distribution of what's equatorial climate. Okay? Shortly, how to tackle of this one. This is your position and distributions. Okay? May I go ahead? Other there is this is also equatorial climate, that is our now. After there is what's one climate. We have the position and distribution. Climate. What is climate of that is the equatorial climate? Miss, what is climate? भनेको तिमीहरुले यसलाई हामी यस्तो पनि लिन सक्छौं. For your good understanding, temperature easy to understand. Miss, what is the temperature that found in the equatorial climate? First of all, one thing you remember: no season change, seasonal, unchanged. Yeah, throughout the year. Here is the, if you write that like that, throughout the year same climates. Throughout the years लेख्नुपर्छ किताबमा छ throughout the year same climate same temperature with same season मैले season लेखिदिएको छु same season temperature vary vary means you understand by 3 degrees Celsius that is means that the 27 degree to 30 degree Celsius यति मात्र हुन्छ vary 3 degrees average temperature there is a average temperature average temperature there is 27 degrees Celsius here hot wet climate hot wet climates conventional rainfall conventional rainfall conventional rainfall right conventional rainfall that's a rainfall up to that is of 200 centimeter over 200 centimeter over मैले over पछाडी हाल्दिए means over 200 centimeter that the rainfall in the equatorial region yes it means that the what type of climate is there also you can say the hot and wet or the damp climates means that there is no dry it means during the day or in the morning it's the climate is that the hot yes and every day afternoon there is a rainfall and in not least it's that the over 200 centimeter yes that is your temperature climate or the temperature of equatorial region now here that's what's the natural vegetation it is natural vegetation have an idea about the natural vegetation of the equatorial region or the equatorial climates of course there the where there the damp where there is a wet of course there is the dense forest is there and it has the Amazon is the dense forest yeah which is called the selva your questions will ask you what do you mean by selva evergreen forest that found in the Amazon climate is known as selva yeah here the selva what is selva it is the evergreen forest of equatorial climate or equatorial region evergreen भनेको बुझ्छ होला evergreen सधैँ हराभरा evergreen rainforest what is rainforest you must read evergreen forest also you find that is called the what's that the evergreen forest it is which found in the Confederacy evergreen forest that found in the cold climates so there is a evergreen rainforest don't forget of this one evergreen rainforest that found in equatorial climate लेके पनि पुग्छ equatorial climate or region climate है ना जे लेके फरक पर्दैन climate or Amazon climate what side there is a or Amazon or by red गर्दो it is a Amazon climate. Look at, if you have any confusion, may ask me. Yeah, Selva. It means one thing that in the evergreen forest, in the Amazon climate, in the equatorial climate, trees are tall, densely forest. Okay, it is that the above 30 meter of height. Height of the tree is the 30 meters. Here, under which that the many bushes and the small trees are grown. So it's a densely. Other there is also the question up there that will ask here that the which one there is a canopy. अहिले हिजो के अस्ति कुरा गरेका थिए canopy फ्राइडे कुरा गरेका थिए canopy what that the it's a ceiling like umbrella even in prose that is like a ceiling understand or not yeah which block is that rain water that is said to be a yeah what is there the ceiling your in book is also given there is yeah. What's there is a thick leaves from a kind of ceiling. Thick leaves, which is the form of kind of ceiling that is said to be canopy. And then what type of trees are mahogany, rosewood, yeah, other walnuts, rubber, ebony, etc. that found in the equatorial climates. These are the natural vegetation that found in vegetation means it is the evergreen forest, selva, and the canopy. These two are from the equatorial region, equatorial climates. Understood? I have some code there is. Yes, and there is your ceiling is there and the sun rays. Why there is a, you can say you may your question might ask here is so why there is a damp and why there is extreme climate is there. Extreme climate means too hot and the wet. Extreme climate means any just condition is the much. It means direct sun rays that found in the equator. Direct rays of the sun falls at the equator and therefore there is a hot. Yes, and that the why the land is the damp in the equatorials? Here also the questions. So why the land of the equatorial climate has damp? Because due to the evergreen thick forest. Due to the thick forest and evergreen forest, then the sun rays never reach to the land or ground. So it remain dry. Remain wet. That remain wet. Yeah, this is a small questions we'll ask in our exam. सानो क्वेशन सोध्छ कि त्यहाँ चाहिँ ग्राउन्ड किन सधैँ गिला हुन्छ अनि कि वेट हुन्छ किनकि सनराइज त्यहाँ पुग्दैन that the thick leaves that the block that is of a sunrise it never reach to the ground that area also in the books and selva I already told inaccessible forest and the Amazon basin. Anyway, animals. What's the animals that's in the rainforest? Yes, of course, that is of 90% of the 90% of animals of the world that found in these climates. Yeah, you know that's the most trees species, animals with species that found in the equatorial climate. 90%. Yes, about the 90% of the total living species of the world that found in the equatorial climate. Right? Here's animals from the bright types of windy, hot top of the trees to the cold. It is a cold also, hot also. Yes, it is a calm, dark floor. कति एनिमल्स यस्तो छ कि त्यो अन्ध्यारो मात्र उसलाई मन पर्छ डिफ्रेन्ट खाले हुन्छ हेर्छ त्यो जमिन मुनि पातहरु मुनि हैन यस्तो हुन्छ नि हाइट एनिमल्स दैट वाज फाउन्ड देयर स्पीसीज सो इट्स भेरी डेन्जरस एन्ड dangerous to go there. Most of the people lost their life. Mosquito kill the people there. So the people never would like to go there. Mosquitoes. If it bites, the people should die. So don't talk about the other dangerous species. And right now, this is the difference. Machines are there, so they cut down and make it a settlement and cut down the main trees. Amazon forest there is there is a sun bears, tigers, jaguars, tigers, pigs, orangutan, monkeys, lizards, frogs. Varieties of the frogs are found in the Amazon. Many cancerous snakes, scorpions, crocodiles, pythons, multicolored insects, birds. Also they are found there. And most dangerous insect is the mosquito. Most dangerous is the what else species is the mosquito insects. There. Yeah. Now the discovery is not there and we don't get the time to watch it. Discovery. Mosquito most dangerous because it causes malaria. And actually the equatorial rainforest, it is the horse about that the 90% of the already I told living species that found in the Amazon basin of the world. And all of there is do you understand there is a position, temperature, vegetation and the animals that found in the equatorial climate. Now second our tropical grassland. Tropical grassland region, climate. Teacher. Tropical grassland. Tropical grassland that this is called the savanna. Savanna climate also that called because this climate mostly found in the savanna region. Yes, in the savanna region, therefore it's called the savanna climate also it's called, and it's called a tropical savanna that lies in that savanna. Yeah, it's this is 0 to 5. That's it's a 5 to 20 latitude of the both these hemispheres. Now let's again that's discuss tropical. Here is number B. I write here number B. Tropical grassland. What the tropical grassland climate? Grassland